Now folks, if you're looking for a rare investment opportunity, it's right here near downtown Hot Springs, Arkansas. I've got 2 triplexes for sale on South Moore Road. Before we go inside and look at the triplexes, let's go around Hot Springs and see what attractions is available. Hamilton Lake, one of the best clear water lakes in the state. It is huge. It's known for water sports and some of the best fishing around. Being a destination resort area, you have fine accommodations sitting right on the water where you can back your boat and go play. You have some of the finest seafood and bars that sit right on the water. You can pull your boat in to the slip, walk up and have a fine meal. And marinas, they got one of the top-notch marinas in the world right here on Hamilton Lake. Greg Orr's Marine, look at this. Goes all the way back in there. He's got every kind of boat that you can imagine, from ski boats, pontoon boats. My goodness, some of the biggest boats I've ever seen back there for doing that new wakeboarding that all the kids like. Yeah, Greg's got all kinds of fine boats. Look at these supers right here. And about whatever price range you want to fit your budget. I like this last one here. It's a big old wakeboard, throws that big wake back there for you. But man, just if he hadn't got it, Greg can order it for you. Look at this. Look at these boats. And downtown you have the world famous Arlington Hotel that was finished in 1875. It's hosted people like Teddy Roosevelt, Harry Truman, Andrew Jackson, Babe Ruth, and the notorious outlaw Al Capone. Hot Springs gets its name from the 47 natural springs coming up out of the ground that has temperatures up to 143 degrees. And on top of these springs is built the famous Bathhouse Row, where you can sit in these 4,000-year-old thermal waters. You know, here in Hot Springs, not only is it a world-class destination resort, you've also got world-class horse racing right on the main drag just south of town. Now let's get back to the triplexes. These triplexes set just west of downtown Hot Springs off Airport Road, which is Highway 70. You got Lake Hamilton School about a minute away, along with shopping and restaurants. This drone footage shows you the country setting that these triplexes set on. All 6 units have a wide open floor plan to the kitchen with vaulted ceilings and recessed lighting. Each unit comes with a refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, oven, and overhead microwave. Like I said, the floor plan is the same in all units. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and these are spacious bedrooms. Right here on the right, you have washer-dryer connections leading into the master bedroom, which has a full bath and huge closets. Now folks, if you're looking for a rare investment opportunity, it's right here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. It don't come up very often. We got 2 triplexes. If you want a private showing, give me a call.